I've tried to build and be a center of influence and build a circle of influence with people that I've dealt with over the years. And many of them come to me, as I've evolved now I do lend money and we do take deposits and we do those transactions, but many of the times I'll have phone calls or people stop in and we don't transact business. We have an exchange. They bounce ideas off of me. I talk to them and ask them questions, help them think through the processes. They make their own decisions, obviously, but I help them with being able to see what these other 6 or 7 or 8 businesses did during that period of time. And this was a regret that they had. They wish they would have done this differently. Have you considered this? Those type of exchanges. And it's helped, and it's actually a lot more fun being involved in that sometimes because it does give them some things they have a source to go to, and I'm honored that they consider me one of those sources. In my career in banking, I've enjoyed the opportunity to deal with certain families. These two that I'm specifically talking about happen to be farm families from southern Porter County. Early in my career as a young guy in there, I got a chance to meet Grandma and Grandpa. And we talk about it, they have evolved in their life stages to where now they were depositors to the bank, not borrowers. And obviously banks take deposits in addition to lending money. And so I had an opportunity to meet them and deal with them and cater to their needs. Introduced me to their boys, who were operators now of the farm operation. They were in the opposite end of the financial situation where they needed to borrow money for capital to buy equipment to grow crops, etc. Worked with them, developed a very strong relationship. As they matured and aged, so did I, and our families grew, and they had children. I've been fortunate now to specifically deal with that third generation of the family in the same banking atmosphere, lending them money, taking deposits, dealing with their daily needs. Most recently, I was blessed with the opportunity that I got to sit and hold the 4th generation of the same family on my lap. Just something that, that type of a relationship, for me, growing up here is really what I value. Even better, those are the relationships that Horizon Bank wishes to fulfill and continue to grow as we move along. And as a matter of fact, that building lifelong relationships is one of our 12 core values that we try and succeed and operate by on a daily basis. I've enjoyed the opportunity to be in this career for a long period of time, and I enjoy it every single day. And because some of these changes, it's not the same thing. It's not the same cookie cutter process every day. I have individuals come in and they have individual challenges. Each and every business has its own challenges. I've done a lot of educational things to, earn degrees, but doing it every day and dealing with the people and communicating and exchanging is how I really have learned how I can help the next person coming in the door. The Horizon Bank fosters that type of help, that regardless of who you are, what you are, if you have a specific need, we will treat you with respect and we'll do the very best we can for you every single day.